Hi guys, today I will show you how to connect your Facebook page. To connect your Facebook page, please make sure that you are the admin of the page. Then let's jump up to our first step. Open Kajao.com, then choose the function you want. In this case, I will choose Auto Response System. Then select the page you would like to connect to our platform by clicking on the plus icon. Click on the green button for the pages that you want to connect. After that, save. And your pages that are connected will be appear here. After connecting to Facebook, you can recheck the pages that you have connected with the shop by clicking on Manage. Then click the Connect button. If your Facebook page is connected to Kajao, a verified site will show on the right, like this. And now you are connected.